For a county that is home to and situated at the foothills of the tallest mountain in Kenya, Meru is famous for its cold weather and green vegetation. What most people don't know, however, is that 67% of this vast county is semi-arid. Meru County, like the rest of the world, has been adversely affected by global warming. For decades, Mount Kenya has attracted both local and international tourists from all over the world who thronged to view its majestic snow peaks. In the last half-decade, however, the snow has diminished thanks to effects of climate change. Meru County had also been known for the mighty waterfalls and majestic rivers that snaked their way downstream while providing scenic views and breathing life in the upper regions of the county. The county was therefore known for being one of Kenya's main food baskets, as farmers planted and watered a variety of crops using this water. The predictable rain patterns also aided in farming.
Tunapanda, tunangoja, seasoni, sai ni miaka 10, hata bila kupata chochote hata nyani kwa mashamba.
Fast forward to the last half-decade, the once renowned and majestic rivers such as the Mariara River in Imenti Central and Kathita River in Imenti North have recorded an all-time low, with the Kathita waterfall losing its once majestic and tourist attraction scenery. The Nyambene region too has not been spared either. This was Bothonaro waterfall that gushed its waters far and wide into wetlands such as Mporoko. Currently, Mporoko wetland has been encroached by human activity as residents now engage in both crop and animal farming.
Mporoko kusambaratika kwa Mporoko kulianzia 1984 wakati kiangazi ilianzia. Mpaka kwa sasa Mporoko haijakuwa vizuri kama vile ilikuwa mbeleni. Hii msitu ilikuwa msitu kubwa sana. Hata wanyama walikuweko, wakakata hii nyasi yote ikaenda. Sasa ndio Mporoko mnaona ikianzia kusambaratika, kwa maana wameendelea na kulima hii swamp. Kwa hii swamp wanaanza kulima.
We have water rationing. We don't really have enough water. When it comes to even cleaning, at times we make a shift. We store water in tanks, and that is the water which helps us much in cleaning in times when we have the water rationing.
Other wetlands that have been adversely affected are Nthui, Bototia, and Kenyaritha. Kuru, which was once the largest wetland in Meru County, has also not been left out either. Alongside this wetland rests eucalyptus trees as well as other crops that have been planted by people, turning what was supposed to be a spared area for growth into a man-made hazardous inhibitor.
Eucalyptus was introduced to help drain the swamps, waterlogged areas. But then again now, it has been, and it cuts across. So what we're doing now is to educate landowners, to work with the counties, to ensure, to see how we can have this eucalyptus removed, cut off. But it is not just enough to say remove them. Of course, they drain a lot of water. I don't know. One mature tree takes how many liters of water? Is it 200 liters or something? Anyway, huge quantities of water per round. You can imagine how it drains our water sources and rivers.
Deforestation is another human activity that has affected water catchment areas. If no intervention is made, the water shortage and factors leading to it will see Meru and neighboring counties continue facing hunger and food shortage occasioned by water shortage. It is often said that a stitch in time saves 9. Let us restore the former glory of the rivers that flowed through Meru and Tharaka Nithi counties.